The work we do, the results come out after. The things you do every day compound. You do not get the results right away from what you do now. Hello, nice to meet you. I am an Imperial Master Gwang Yeol King. After purchasing a vacation home in Gyeryong Mountain, it's been my pleasure to see the sunset overlooking Gyeryong Mountain. Looking at the mountain, wow, I can enjoy this life of leisure now because I have conquered the high mountain called Atomy. I thought to myself, many people have come to a place called Atomy with a hope to succeed. But thinking about it, many people who came to this beautiful mountain called Atomy, they came here to tour this place or to conquer this mountain, are confused whether many people say they want to become a successful person. But I don't see the things that want to conquer. If you really want to become an Imperial Master, you must have a different mindset from the beginning. The mountain called Atomy, many have conquered. You can also conquer it, but you must conquer 7 peaks and need a training camp to do so. That training place is called the salesperson phase. Most of you are impatient and greedy. It is because in this first mountain called salesperson, you are not trained well enough. When I first started this work, I lived in a place with a 3 million won deposit and 300,000 won rent. I started Atomy business on March 1st, and the first thing I told the landlord was, I got fired from my company, so I can't pay the monthly rent. I'll leave this when this 3 million won deposit runs out. Please don't call me till then. I had exactly 10 months to achieve my goals. I had to achieve my goals in 10 months. I thought I couldn't continue living if I didn't. Therefore, my first goal was to become a Sharon Rose Master from the beginning. From March 1st, I sold the products day and night. With my hard work, I was very close to becoming a sales master in the first month, but could not become one. So, in the second month, from April 1st, I set my goal to become a sales master and challenged myself. But after getting started, unfortunate things had happened. My challenge to become a sales master had ended in just 5 days, so I challenged myself again. It takes a lot to become a diamond master, doesn't it? But I told myself, let's push ahead, and tried to become a diamond master, but without any preparation. Would it be easy or difficult to become a diamond master? I had to borrow credit cards to complete the sales. I was betting on myself. Guess what the outcome was? I had become a team leader, but now that I think about it, the sales master phase is very important. You need to learn everything properly during this period to move up. I thought to myself, you will probably think it is important to move up to a certain position right away. But if you don't have the know-how to get to that position, that you won't be able to maintain that position, you will drop back down. Achieved position is not your position. If you truly want to succeed through Atomy now, you should pile up the know-how. The training that you need first, training to make new customers from the Sharon Rose Masters of Good Morning Atomy. You will find many speeches. In those speeches, how to have a home party, how to make contacts on the road, and how to build customer loyalty. You will find plenty of information. By utilizing them, you should make your own know-how. Do those who usually make it to the top of a high mountain train for it first? Then how long? 10 years? You should not train for too long. During the salesperson phase, they want 1 year from you. You will get enough training during that period. All positions begin from the salesperson. If you are a diamond master, you get two salespeople. If you are a Sharon Rose Master, you get 12 in total salespeople. What about Imperial Master? I have not counted them exactly, but you shall get about 5,000 salespeople in about 15 days. All successes begin from how you make new salespeople by piling up your know-how on how to make new salespeople. Imperial Master is made. Do not be afraid to challenge yourself to become a salesperson. Become a professional in making salespersons. Become a professional in making new salespeople. That was the easiest thing I've ever done. You just need to conquer the mountain called salesperson properly and just teach and move forward. From then you can also conquer the mountain called Atomy and enjoy a rich life. I hope you do. See you at the top.